Ingrid, we're just going to check the range of motion in your lower back. So I just want you to bend forwards and touch your toes as far as you can. Okay. And then coming all the way back up for me. Any discomfort?
No.
No? What about bending backwards? Good. A little bit more. Any discomfort there?
Yeah, it's not comfortable.
Some pinching down low?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we'll adjust that. Just relax those shoulders. Nice. Just let your hip relax. Little push. Let it all fall. Relax your hip. Good. Just wriggle your shoulders, let them relax. That was good. Wiggle your toes.
Ooh.